In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Semrush Keyword Gap tool effectively. If you're looking to gain a competitive edge with your SEO strategy, this tool can be incredibly valuable. We'll go through each step to help you explore keyword opportunities by comparing your website with that of your competitors. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and search for Semrush. Once you're there, go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process involving some basic information. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar or look under the SEO section. Here, you'll find the Keyword Gap option. Clicking on this will take us to the tool that allows us to analyze keywords. Not just any keywords, but specifically how they compare between your site and others. In the box labeled You, enter the URL of your website. This tool allows you to add up to 4 competitor URLs, so do that next. Entering competitor URLs will enable the Keyword Gap tool to compare your keyword usage with those competitors, offering insight into areas where you might be missing opportunities or can improve your efforts. Once you've entered the necessary URLs, you have an important decision to make. You need to decide whether you want to analyze organic keywords, paid keywords, or both. If you're focused on building organic traffic, you might want to focus on organic keywords. If you're running paid campaigns, analyzing paid keywords could be advantageous. Next, click the Compare button. This action will generate the Keyword Overlap report. Here is where the magic happens, as it reveals how your keyword strategy stacks up against your competition. This report includes valuable data on keyword similarities and differences, providing insight into which keywords you're missing or already capturing effectively. After generating the report, it's time to analyze it. You'll gain an overview of where your site stands in terms of keyword strategy relative to your competitors. But don't stop there. Digging deeper will give you the full value of the tool. You can refine the information by applying filters to narrow down the results. Look for filters like keyword difficulty, search volume, or competitor position to prioritize opportunities that align with your strategic goals and the resources you have available. Focus especially on missing keywords, which you're not currently using but your competitors are, as these can provide new content ideas. Additionally, identify weak keywords, where your site could potentially optimize existing content. Using these insights, you can develop a robust content strategy. Consider optimizing current content, creating new content based on these findings, and even launching PPC campaigns targeting those untapped valuable keywords. With these detailed steps and tips, you're now equipped to make the most out of the Semrush Keyword Gap tool, giving your website a competitive edge in the digital landscape.